In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer OneDrive files to your desktop. Whether you're looking to work offline or simply want to ensure your files are safely stored on your local machine, transferring files from your OneDrive to your desktop is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and make sure your files are right where you need them. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft's official website. It's crucial to ensure you're using the correct account, the one associated with your OneDrive. Once you've entered your credentials and are logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your account. Now look towards the top left corner of the page where you'll notice a grid icon, commonly referred to as the app's launcher. Click on this icon and you'll see a menu of Microsoft services available to you. Among these is OneDrive. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to proceed. This will direct you to your OneDrive storage space, where all of your cloud files are organized and stored. Once you're inside OneDrive, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled My Files. Click on this section to view all the files and folders you have stored in your OneDrive. If your files are organized into different folders, navigate through them to find the specific file you're looking to transfer. After locating the file you wish to download, simply click on it to select it. If you need to transfer multiple files, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking to select more than one file at a time. Selecting your desired file or files is an essential step as it prepares them for the downloading process. Next, look towards the top menu bar of OneDrive. You'll find a download button there. Clicking on this will start the download process for your selected file or files. Depending on the size of these files, it might take a few moments, so be sure to wait patiently for the download to complete. Your browser should automatically begin downloading these files to your computer's default Downloads folder. Once the download is finished, you can move these files from your Downloads folder to your desktop or to another location of your choosing on your computer. It's as easy as that. Now your files are transferred and easily accessible directly from your desktop. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred your files from OneDrive to your desktop. Remember, having a local backup of important data is always a wise choice in case you ever need access to them while offline or in case of network issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.